Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Kubernetes service account RBAC, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize with Kubernetes service account RBAC, begin by understanding what RBAC is. RBAC stands for Role-Based Access Control. It allows you to define permissions for users and service accounts within your Kubernetes cluster. Start by creating a service account. You can do this using the command kuberctl create service account name. Replace service account name with your desired name. Next, define a role that specifies the permissions. Use the command kuberctl create role name verb equals verb resource namespace equals namespace. Ensure to replace role name, verb, resource, and namespace with your specific values. The verb could be actions like get, list, or create. Now, bind the role to the service account. Use kuberctl create role binding name role equals role name service account equals namespace namespace equals namespace. Replace role binding name, namespace, and service account name accordingly. This binding connects the role with the service account within the specified namespace. The next step is to verify the service account has the required permissions. You can do this by running a command, such as kuberctl auth can verb resources equals system service account namespace service account name. Replace verb, resource, namespace, and service account name with your values. If configured correctly, you should see a confirmation of access. Finally, use the service account in your pod specification. Under the spec section of your pod, add service account name. This allows the pod to utilize the permissions granted to the service account. Now you have successfully authorized with a Kubernetes service account using RBAC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.